Here's how you can add a text substitution in Google Docs. So basically, some characters or some text, when you type on the document, like maybe 2/3 like this, it will turn into a tiny fraction. That's a text substitution. You can add your own substitution if you want. Then the process is quite simple. Just go to the tools and then preferences and then substitutions, and then here you can add some text, and then you want Google Docs to replace it with something else. So let's say I want to put the input to be smile, and the substitution is going to be emoji. It's actually up to you. You can enter any character, but it can only a lowercase character. And when you're done, just click OK. So when I type smile like this and then followed by space, it would turn into this character, into this emoji. You can add as many as you want, and you can always disable that substitution that you have created. So you can always disable, or if you want to remove it, that's also possible, and everything would basically back to normal. So that's basically how you can add a text substitution in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.